Hello everybody, this is Bonnie from Artisved Group. During the following time, I introduce our new style honey filling machine. This machine is designed with a new medical standard. All materials containing the liquid meet the food and medical standard. The transmission system is durable. The motor is with low noise and high efficiency. If the bottle capacity is 500 grams, it can fill 360 bottles per hour. If the bottle capacity is 1000 grams, it can fill 240 bottles per hour. The self-developed microcomputer control system can be upgraded for customers in time. The voltage can be 220, 110, 12. Especially, the self-provided 12 battery can make the machine work for 2 to 3 hours in summer and 1 hour in winter. The total weight of the machine is around 9 kilograms, so it's portable. It can realize the field operation. This machine is suitable for all kinds of non-crystalline honey, with the boom degree below 43 and environment temperature higher than 15 degrees. It is suitable for all kinds of honey bottles and honey jars, with the feeding weight range from 100 grams to 4,000 grams. On the screen, it can show the actual weight of each bottle and the weight of each bottle you set. Also, it can show the bottle quantity you have filled. It is free between Chinese and English switching, and also free between automatic and manual switching. Okay, now let's operate it. First step, let's turn on the power. Wait for some time. The screen will be turned on. The second step, let's press this touch button to switch the machine between automatic and manual mode. This is manual mode, and this is automatic mode. The next step, let's set the weight of each bottle. Press this set button. Press 100. Set again. Then it shows the weight of each bottle is 100 grams. Then let's fill up the honey. Put the empty bottle on the tray. The machine will fill up it and stops when its weight is 100 grams automatically. Take a weight and put another empty bottle. It will fill up it again. That's all about the operation of this machine. Any requirements on this machine, please feel free to contact us. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.